Google Cloud offers a free tier for hosting static websites using cloud storage, making it ideal for personal portfolios and small blogs. This service uses pre-built HTML, CSS, and JavaScript files served directly with no server-side processing required. You get up to 5 gigabytes of storage and 1 gigabytes of monthly outgoing traffic. While Google has tightened billing policies to prevent abuse with usage caps, it remains cost-effective for low-traffic sites. You can upgrade to paid plans for higher traffic needs. Recent updates include enhanced integration with Firebase hosting for easier deployment workflows, combining cloud storage with Firebase's global CDN and automatic SSL certificates for improved performance and security. For basic use cases, you can also set up a custom domain via Cloud DNS for free, ensuring a professional and secure website presence. Google has also optimized data centers, reducing energy consumption and providing reliable uptime with a 99.9% SLA for cloud storage. To set up your static website on Google Cloud, start by creating a free GCP account and enabling billing, which is required for cloud storage. Next, create a bucket in cloud storage with a unique name, such as yoursite.appspot.com. Then, upload your HTML, CSS, and JavaScript files using the console or GSoodle tool. After uploading, configure the bucket for static website hosting by specifying an index page and making it publicly readable. Be aware of limitations like 5 GB storage and 1 GB monthly egress, so monitor usage with cloud monitoring. For performance, leverage Google's global network. Integrate with Firebase for HTTPS and Cloud Build for automated deployments.